Hi guys, I'm really nervous about today's video because as you already know that this is a review of the contact lenses that I wear. I'm gonna be unboxing one pair that I recently purchased. The reason I'm nervous is because I haven't done this on camera, like putting in lenses in my eyes, and I'm gonna try to do it, but if not, I'll just like if I'm not doing it gracefully, I'm just gonna edit it out of the video because yeah, it takes me quite a long time to just get that one lens in my eyes, and yeah, it's no joke. Like there are days that it takes me a second, and then there are days where like I'm struggling for like 15 minutes to just get them in. I don't know if you all know that I wear contacts, so this is not my natural eye color. You probably can tell. I don't know if you can or not, but these are the Solotica lenses that I'm wearing right now, and these are the natural color Amber. That's the shade. So I recently purchased the Hidrocor Ice lenses from Solotica online, and I received them. I don't know how they look. I haven't tried them on. I'll unbox them here and see if they suit me or not. I know a lot of girls wear them, and I've seen it online in the pictures on Instagram, on their Instagram, the Solotica official Instagram, and it looks really good. It's like, as the name suggests, it's ice, so it's like grayish blue. So here's the parcel I received. I purchased these from the website lens.me, and they had free shipping going on, which is worldwide. They shipped it through FedEx Express, and I received it like within a week. So the shipping was super fast and also free. I purchased them for 114 Canadian dollars. I know that's kind of a higher price point for contact lens. That's what I've heard. I haven't owned any other contact lenses, so I can't really compare them to anything else. But I know these are like on the pricier side. So here's the big box. So the first time I ordered lens through this website, they actually sent a pack of Oreo cookies. I'm hoping that there's gonna be a pack in here too. No Oreo cookies. There's a note on this that says, "Thanks for your trust, enjoy your new look, and keep smiling." Well, I'm gonna smile depending on how it looks on me. Okay, there is an Oreo pack. I'm actually really hungry. I'm gonna open this now. So here's the actual box. So I'm gonna open this and put them on. So I usually put in the lenses before I do my makeup because, like I said, it's sometimes really hard to put them in, and if you have mascara and eyeliner done already, it could get really messy and your makeup could really mess up. So as you can see, I already have the makeup done, and I have contacts in my eyes already that I would need to take out. So here's the case that it came with, and then the contacts are in these two bottles. Opening these bottles is no joke. It's so hard. I'm gonna first take out these ones that I have right now. Again, these are the natural colors Amber that I'm wearing right now. So this is how the natural colors Amber look on me. But you've seen them quite a few times. For those of you who are watching me for the first time, this is how they look. I'm gonna take these out. Here they are. So usually what I do is I wash them with water and then the lens solution, and put fresh solution in the case and then put them in. So this is my natural eye color, and my eyes are like really brown, like really dark brown, more like black, I would say. Like they're that dark. So don't be scared by all the faces I'm gonna be making now. Yeah, let's hope that my makeup stays in put. Oh, okay. So that wasn't successful. Okay. What do you guys think? So this is how the lens look on me. Here you can see the difference between the two. I don't know if the lighting is making them look even lighter, but they are definitely really light. yeah, this is definitely gonna take some time for me to get used to. It's such a different color, and yeah, let's put the other one in. Okay, this one is just irritating my eye a little. Although the other one is, like the first one I put in, is so comfortable. I didn't even feel nothing. Like, it's still very, very comfortable. I just don't know why this one is just... Okay, I don't know. I kind of like them. But I think they obviously don't look as natural on me. But yeah, I think it's definitely gonna take some time for me to get used to them. So this is how they look. So what do you guys think? Yay or nay? Like, I definitely like the color, and I know this one was like a little irritating, like at the beginning, like it was irritating my eye, but right now it's like really feeling very, very comfortable, and wow, it just completely changed me. I look like a different person right now. Just your eyes can make so much difference, right? Yeah, I'm getting used to them. I think I like them. Again, I have never worn contacts this color before, so it's definitely gonna take some time to get used to, but I think I like them. No, I'm pretty sure I like them. So these lenses are the Hidrocor Ice. So the Hidrocor lens are supposed to look more natural because like the lens don't have any outer line. There's no limbal ring. It's called limbal ring. So that doesn't exist with the Hidrocor lens, whichever shade you get from the Hidrocor range. But the natural colors range has like a slight limbal ring around it, and also there's like black, like you can see lines in between the colored part, like pixels. They just make it look more darker, I think. Like, so if I were to purchase this shade in the natural colors, it's gonna look darker than it looks right now. So if you like this shade but you don't want to go this light, you can maybe try the natural colors, and that's just gonna give you a more deeper look. Like for example, the natural colors Amber that I was wearing before this, it looks lighter if you purchase it in Hidrocor Amber, but because I got the natural colors, it looks more darker, and you can't really tell much if you're looking at me from a distance if I'm wearing lenses or what shade my eyes are. Now Solotica also sells another type of lens, which is the Hydro Charm, and the difference between that and natural colors and Hidrocor is that the Hidrocor Charm comes with a limbal ring that's really strong, but there's no pattern in the colored part of the lens. So I mean, that's another option. I think I've seen more people purchasing the natural colors or the Hidrocor range, actually more Hidrocor than the Hydro Charm, but I mean, it's a personal preference. I haven't tried the Hydro Charm, so I can't really say much about those lenses, how they're gonna look on like darker eye colors. But between natural colors and Hidrocor, if you're looking for like a really bold statement, like a really drastic change, I think Hidrocor is a better option. But if you are not comfortable yet with the idea of changing the color altogether and you just want to give like a subtle change, then I would say go for the natural colors range. So this is not my first Hidrocor lens. I also purchased the Hidrocor Quartzo, which is again a very popular shade from Solotica, and I've seen so many people wear it, and I don't know, I purchased it for myself. I wore it in one of the videos, and I don't know, I got like mixed reviews, and for myself, like personally, I just didn't like it. I just thought that they made me look really like they just gave me like a vampire look, and yeah, it was just too much for me. I don't think they suited me. I know a lot of people who carry them really, really well, but I think, yeah. And it sucks kind of because I purchased them for the same price. It's like 114 Canadian dollars, and obviously there's no return on these things. I'll try to wear them again and see if you know, I can get used to it, or maybe there's a different makeup look with which those lenses are gonna look good. But if you know, these lenses expire like in 1 year, so unless I'm able to use them in a year, I'll have to throw them out anyways. So that's the risk you gotta take with these lenses. Like if you receive them and you don't like them, obviously you're not gonna return them, and then you're just stuck with them. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try those on as well, because I think it's only fair that I show you how those look. Okay, so let me take these out, and I'm gonna try the Quartzo now. This is the Hidrocor Quartzo, and now you know what I was talking about. I literally look like a vampire. If I wasn't smiling, you'd think that I am a vampire. They actually kind of look very similar to the Hidrocor Ice, but somehow those look more natural. Yeah, this is like more towards like a sea green, like a very turquoisey green color. Not turquoise actually. Yeah, it's like a greenish opaque color. The Hidrocor Ice has like grayish blue in it, and it just makes it look better than this on me. Yeah, I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. I want to know. I know there are people who absolutely look amazing with these lenses. I just wish they looked better on me. Like, I was really excited to get these when I did. I researched on these lenses so much. Like, I saw so many videos on YouTube, and I saw so many pictures on Instagram, and I was like, oh my god, like these lenses are like the bomb. Like, I'm gonna look really good. Now, comfort wise, these lenses are amazing. I absolutely love how comfortable they are. Now, compared to which other lens, I don't own any other lens other than Solotica, and that's why I can't really compare them to anything else. I think the comfort level also depends on how you're taking care of these lenses. Like, I purchased this solution, it's the Opti-Free Express, and I run out of this like really fast, although I don't wear contacts like every single day, but still, even if I'm wearing them like once or twice a week, I run out of this solution like really fast. That means that I'm washing the lens with the solution. I make sure that the solution in the lens container is changed every single time I put them back in. So yeah, you just have to be really careful about those things. Also, make sure your hands are washed, especially after you've done your makeup or you're taking off your makeup. You have to wash your hands before you take out the lens. So those are the things like you have to be really careful about, and that's how you're gonna make sure that your eyes don't get irritated as well. This is a no-no. Maybe I'm gonna try these on again for my Halloween makeup looks. I don't know. Now, before I end the video, I'll be putting the Hidrocor Ice back in so that I look like a sane person when I'm talking to you. Okay, so this is much better. I absolutely love these now, honestly, especially after trying the Quartzo. I absolutely love these. I think these are really pretty and like just make the whole look so much more glamorous. So I don't know how informative this video was for you guys. I just wanted to do this just so that you get a rough idea of what lens I'm wearing, and also what the price for them is and where I purchased them from, because I get a lot of questions on these. I don't know if you wanted me to do it like in more detail. Let me know if you have any questions. Like, leave a comment below. I'll definitely respond to you. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Now, don't forget to check the description box, because I'll leave some links to the website and also these lenses in the description box, and any other detail that comes to my mind, I'll leave it in the description box. So don't forget to check that out. Until next time, stay fashionable, stay happy. Bye.